Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take a couple minutes to show you what comes in the box from the lovely products you buy from Dow Technologies.
Boxes.
Boxes. We have two. This is unprecedented.
Thank you.
Who are you?
Eric. I always feel like it's an interview or not so
What
much
are you
an
doing
interview, but yeah, what do you call that? Interrogation. God, dude, relax.
I would tilt some lights at you, but Andre would get very
Coming
mad.
at me with all these questions.
Who are you?
All the
What are you
time.
doing
Eric,
here?
nothing.
Jeez.
Holy smokes.
What'd you bring today?
We brought cameras. Spyclops Pro cameras. Ooh. These are the bullets.
I hope Andre gives me cool guns.
Like laser shooters? What would your cool guns be? What would your cool guns shoot?
Not lasers.
No?
No.
Sharks?
With lasers?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
What did you bring? Let's get back
We
up.
already did this.
Focus.
Bullet cameras! Bullet cameras!
Spyclops
2 boxes.
Pro.
Spyclops Pro.
Yep. So we
Bullet
did
cams.
these two because they're very similar cameras, different sizes, but these are both the bullet cameras that come with the Spyclops line of products.
See what he did there? Same, but different.
I did do that. Same but different.
That's right.
Similar is, I think, the word for it.
Nice.
We actually brought with us 2 different colors, too, so you can see the different colors, right? There's a white and a gray here as well. I know. Which is which?
We'll know when they come out of the box.
Why don't you talk a little bit about the product, Eric?
I was wide open. I'm going to get my broad brush out, and I'm going to talk about the product. So Spyclops Pro, right? Cameras for the integrator channel specifically. These are not your primary retail space cameras that you go home and you plug into the wall and they automatically populate. Every retired lady in, what do they call that in Florida? That's what I was going with. The place in the villages has those things. You just plug them in the wall, they're good to go.
What the hell are you talking about?
Too far? I went too far.
Maybe.
Yeah, so bullet cam, security cameras. These are great. One of the things that's really nice about the bullet cams, they've got the little lid that goes over the front, kind of like a little baseball cap, so it keeps the sun out of their eyes if you're using them outside.
Right here.
And the wide dynamic range, which is a great feature, so you can actually use them just about anywhere. It's almost an absolute necessity if you're using them outside because of sunrise, sunset, the different lighting patterns that you run into. So
Yeah, and the design is very nice on these. If you've never used them before, it comes with really everything you do need. They are PoE, right? Mm-hmm. So they can be powered over Ethernet, but they also do have the ability to be used for DC if you wanted to. So both options there. They come with a nice, convenient. Eric, do you know what this is?
it's convenient. Yeah, that's a drill template drill.
There you go. Nice
Put
little
that
drill
on the
template.
wall. You're going to get a nice template for mounting the mount for the camera mount.
Yes,
mount.
sir. Mm-hmm. And what are these for, Eric?
What is that?
What are they?
What is it for?
That actually connects onto the wire and secures your connection so you don't have any water or anything leak in. That's for both your PoE or for your DCU.
So what do you call this?
A wire nut.
It's not a wire nut, Drew.
What do you call it?
Not a wire nut.
What do you call it?
I don't know. That's why I was asking you. I got the white one. You got the gray one. For anybody who wanted to see the difference in colors, white, gray.
Yes, this is very true. Right and gray. And this is the mini and the full.
The mini and the maxi.
Mini and the
The
maxi.
mini and the maxi.
What's the Allen wrench for, Eric?
Really? So, taking a guess, that's to tighten up the swivel neck on there.
That's it, right
Is
there.
that it? Did I
And
get it
it's
right?
got actually a swivel ball.
Can I also disconnect my IKEA furniture with it?
Probably.
Super.
It's got a nice little swivel ball, which not many of them have, but it gives you a lot more freedom of angle. So I've installed these actually at my house, and you do get a nice freedom of angle with the ball. So that's a very nice piece.
Yeah.
What do you got with yours?
Well,
You got one, I
same
got one.
thing. I've got a freedom of angle ball on mine. I've got the cap that you've got on here. These are the 5 megapixel. Is that right?
Correct.
Or is that the mini?
They go up to 5.
Up to 5 megapixel.
Yep.
Exactly. That's right. And these are really nice if you feel it. The hardware on here, a lot of them have that plasticky feel. This is definitely going to stand up. It's IP66 rated, so they're going to lock in. And these have the autofocus feature on them. So from the app or from the monitor, wherever you're viewing, you have the ability to zoom in. Yep. And the camera's going to recognize that. It's going to autofocus as you're zooming and keep you a nice tight resolution, a nice picture.
They have a nice QR code system on all the new cameras now too, where you get a little QR tag for the camera. That's for the installation process. Once you get the NVR set up or the DVR set up, You just use the app, you go around, you can scan the cameras, and it lets you kind of associate them with the app. So it's actually a pretty easy process there to get the app synced in with the NVR. So.
Yeah, very easy. They went through a lot of trouble, right? So the nice thing about Metra is they're constantly developing their products, right? They work very closely with the product development team. They are heavily involved. They're making changes constantly, updating their products. And one of the big focuses that they had as they migrated to the Pro line was making it a lot easier to set up. So even though it's integrator based and we all know what we're doing out there, right? This is pretty much plug and play at this point. Yep. That was your experience, right? You have
Very
a system at home?
Yep,
plug and play, right?
Other thing I liked, right, for wire running, very small little add-on feature here. They have a channel built into their weather protection, so you can run it flat against the wall. You don't have to run it straight into here. So if you, just depending on your option, how you're going to do it, if you're running into a soffit, you can run the wire up and it still sits flat, which was a nice little add-on, I thought, for them to put in there.
Absolutely. And Metra, or Spyclops, right, with their Spyclops brand, there is all kinds of options for cameras, DVRs, NVRs. So you're absolutely going to find everything that you need, whether it's a PTZ camera, super high resolution camera, whatever you need, the Spyclops Pro line is going to have it.
IRs are great as well. I can speak from experience on that. The IRs see very well. At night they turn on automatically, obviously, but then they have a really good range on them. Sometimes you find that if an object's too close, it washes out the image. I feel like there's, for whatever reason, whatever the technology is behind it, can kind of
pinch and zoom.
It's not pinch and zoom, but that is on the app, right?
I'm pinching your face right now. I'm trying.
Hey, everybody. Don't panic. I mean, I'm only crushing your head.
What was that show? You remember that one from back in the day?
Yep, you're going there. I
went there.
All right. Well, what do we
Bring
do
it
with
home?
these? What do we do with these?
We're going to give them away.
To
the people that like, comment, and subscribe on the video with the wittiest jokes. Because I need good material. I've been told I'm not all that funny, which I just want to go and put it on record. Mr. Clark Griswold, I'm kidding, his name's not Clark, it's Tom Griswold, says I'm not funny. I'm funny,
so
right, Drew?
Your joke was Tom Griswold?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm funny, though, right?
Yeah, no, you're good.
Come on. I'm funny.
All right, we'll see you next. Oh, wait, who do we think? Who do we think? Who do we think?
Jesse and Ray. Jesse and Ray. Ray and Jesse. Jesse and Ray.
Thank you.
Jesse and Ray. We appreciate the goods. These are nice. Can I keep these?
No, we give them away.
Can I keep these?
I like the gray, by the way. It's gunmetal.
Which one would you put up on your house? White or gray?
My house is gray, so I'd go gray.
I'd go white. The white trim.
Good call.
Now you people know what we're going to get. Can we sign the cameras directly?
See you next time. Hopefully your camera's not signed.